Right now, while you're watching this, your competition is getting faster, smarter, and cheaper to run, and most business owners have no idea how. There's a shift happening. A small group of people have quietly learned to do the work of 10 in a fraction of the time. They're not working harder, they just have tools you haven't been shown yet. I'm DeRosa, and on Saturday, July 25th, I'm bringing every one of those tools into one room and showing you exactly how I use them to run my business on autopilot. This isn't theory. This is a full day, hands-on, watching it happen live and copying it for yourself before you leave. Here's just some of what you'll walk away with. A complete CRM that already has everything built for you, done for you workflows for every scenario you'll ever run into, pre-foreclosure, bankruptcy, code enforcement, out-of-state owners, divorce, probate, you name it. You load your leads and it goes to work. I'll show you how to make hundreds of offers automatically using AI expert automation, not one at a time. Hundreds. How to put AI agents to work, making and taking your phone calls, qualifying your leads, and booking your appointments for you around the clock, even while you sleep. How to create professional videos and voiceovers with no camera, no crew, and no studio. And how to automate the busy work that's eating your day and get hours of your life back every single week. Once you see this work live in the same room, you'll understand why this changes everything. You'll also get done-for-you templates you can use the moment you get home, your questions answered in person, and a room full of driven investors to connect with. Saturday, July 25th, 9 to 5, 1960 Satellite Boulevard, Duluth, Georgia. Seats are limited and this room is only for people ready to move. Look, the tools are already here. The only question is whether you learn to use them or watch someone else use them to take your deals. The people who show up walk out with an unfair advantage. The people who don't get left behind. This is a must attend. To sign up, just click the link below and claim your seat right now before they're gone. I'll see you on Saturday, July 25th.